So you decided to purchase your Hotsy. We've got our standard Hotsys come with a 50-foot hose and 36-inch lance. Our Hotsy branded couplers in brass. We do quick couple these so that it's a lot easier to roll your hose up. As far as ease of use, it has a lot of different accessories. Most of them are Hotsy branded. We have the Hotsy 360-degree reel that's branded, Hotsy specific hoses. Hotsy did just recently come out with the brass and stainless steel couplers branded in Hotsy. We have our Hotsy gun jets, one of the highest standard as far as pressure and temperature rating, and still cheaper than a lot on the market. A whole array of different lengths of wands that you can get to speed up the process of your cleaning. The one thing with the quick couplers, speeds up your process if you got to roll up the hose. You don't need to drag the gun on the ground. Guns are not cheap. You don't want to be dragging them across the ground when you're rolling up your hose. If you need to change out, instead of having a multitude of different expensive wands, you have the quick couplers in either the brass or the stainless steel that you can quick couple on your standard nozzles, or you can also go with a foam cannon. We've got a foam cannon that quick couples in. You can foam, quickly switch that out to a turbo nozzle and do your degreasing needs very quickly, very efficiently. Saves you a lot of time. Another one of our great accessories, if you're a house washer, we have extendable poles. They slide out. We've got them that'll reach up to 24 feet, and then they lock in place. Also, the nice thing about them is the Hotsy quick coupler systems, that you can quick couple them in, go right from your wand to another wand, and you can wash up to 24 feet high, do windows, siding. A lot of contractors like them. They say they're a lot cheaper than the emergency room bill. We've got just a lot of different accessories that can be added to these. They come as a base model, but there are so many different things that we can tune it to your needs exactly, to what you need to make your cleaning much more efficient and much quicker.
And soon you'll see why nothing cleans like a Hotsy.